What's going on, YouTube? We are finally back in the game. So this video is gonna be pretty much just a brief recap of everything that has been happening, especially to the car. Right now I'm out here hanging out with the Jody 392 horseplay. We were taking a couple pictures, and as you can see, things have changed a lot for both of our cars. Ain't that right, bro?
Yes, sir, they have. Big time.
So, first thing, make sure that you are following both of us on Instagram, because the shots that we have been taking today, pictures that is, of course, they are, you'll see them. All right, so I'll see you later to explain everything that has been going on with the car. Okay, so we finally got to the spot already. Jody and I already got done taking pictures. Well, I took pictures of his car. So, like usually seems to happen, life hit me really hard, but nothing bad, of course. It's just the fact that, as you can remember, I have twins now, and they pretty much are consuming most of the part that I used to have free. But anyways, we're back. All right, so let's do a recap. I have done this, and I have done this. So, as you can see, probably from the last time that you saw the car, is now looking quite different. So, sure, we never had the time to make a video explaining, you're going over the color changing lights, but of course there are like a million videos out there. But let's go ahead and talk about the stuff that matters. Let's start with the carbon fiber pieces, right? So we got the front lip, we got side skirts. You already know about this one already, but added to that, we got this diffuser with the extensions, and they all came from chrome and carbon. Okay, so focus on my face today. All right, good. So they all came from chrome and carbon. Once again, I'm gonna leave the information in the description. Yeah, link in bio. No, not bio, that's Instagram. so that way you can hit them up. Sure, tell them that Fast Fit Entertainment sent you, and try to see if they have any products that you may like to add to your car. They specialize in Mopars though, but I know that they are doing stuff for Corvettes, Evos, and all that stuff. All right, second, let's talk about this. As you can see, we are on bags now. We are on Airlift 3P, and man, I'm gonna tell you, the hype is not fake. Life on bags, hashtag life on air, is awesome. Yeah. The stuff that you can, pretty much the benefits, it goes from the cliche airing up and down just to show off, which I haven't done just yet, but riding lower, and being able to raise it up when needed, aka going over speed bumps and going over speed bumps, going in and out steep entrance to parking lots, garages, houses, etc. So, but yeah, it's been great, and I have the one option that is called the Rise on Start, which pretty much is, let me just show you. So the car is gonna start, and then yep, it airs up, and then it adjusts itself. So not only that, I also have the focus. I also have the Bluetooth companion app, and pretty much it's just like the control. So if I want to air down, I'm down again. Yep. So there you have it. I'm pretty content. I'm pretty content with everything. How the car is coming up, and I wish I could. My original plan was to fully document everything that I just explained. But as you saw, I was only able to get just a couple of clips, and just due to weather, etc., I couldn't do an actual video. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna it's my turn to take a couple of pictures now, because like I said, I was just taking pictures of Jody. He's done, and of course, just look at this beautiful location, man. Welcome to the Greens of Kentucky. All right. So we are done today. I think, yeah, just look at this location, man. This is perfect. Perfect for picture taking, you know, taking your IG game up. So once again, follow me on IG if you want to see how these pictures came out. This is just to give you a little bit of a little preview of what you will be seeing. But yeah, once again, I highly appreciate everyone that has been sticking around, staying, you know, subscribe to the channel, even though that I have been completely lacking on videos. But you know, like I said, just life, man, just life. Not complaining, just life, right? But no promises. I'm going to make a conscious effort to be putting more videos out there. I am seeing, you know, new comments on the old videos, especially on the installation of some of the parts and some of the videos that I have been documenting that. I highly appreciate all of you, the new subscribers, the few of you. I appreciate that. Stick around if the video seems all over the places, because I have completely fell off the wagon, the train, the flow of YouTube videos. I just have to get back on it, and I think it's gonna make me make better videos. All right, cool. See you around.